Up next, we have Kraken, which was founded in 2011 and now boasts over 15 million users globally. Kraken is available in over 190 different countries and now supports the trading of over 400 cryptocurrencies. So the main benefit to this crypto exchange is going to be this broad availability in terms of both the countries that can use the platform and the assets or cryptos that you can invest in. However, for those watching from the United States, I do want to mention one regulatory hurdle that they faced previously. In 2023, the Securities and Exchange Commission charged them with unlawfully operating a business that bought and sold digital currencies. But the good news is the case was officially settled in March of this year, when the SEC dropped the case against them and others. But I did want to mention it nonetheless, as it has been sort of a dark cloud over them. As with most other exchanges, Kraken collects fees on crypto trades and transactions. If you trade a lot, you can sign up for Kraken Plus for $4.99 a month, and that offers zero-fee trading of up to 10,000 per month. Lastly, one other differentiating feature here is that Kraken offers stocks, ETFs, and even NFTs among their asset selection too. So Kraken is generally a good choice for those living outside of the US based on that global availability, or for those who are looking to trade a large selection of altcoins. If you want to check it out, feel free to use my affiliate link to support the channel, which is ryanoscribner.com/Kraken.